How cool would it be if your friends and family could shop for Shop.com products without ever leaving Facebook and earn cash doing it? Now they can with Shop.com's new Shopbox feature for Facebook. You can offer your friends the convenience of online shopping with simple and secure checkout right from within your Facebook's timeline. Want to provide help with gift ideas for your friends and family and earn referral cash? Create a Shopbox with your suggestions and let your friends comment and help you choose the perfect gift. Setting up a Shopbox storefront is easy. Simply click on the Add to Shopbox link on any of the product pages you want to share. Once you enter a name, select Manage your Shopbox. The products you selected will automatically show up in your Shopbox selection area, where you can edit your Shopbox selected products, select a storefront image, and then publish them to your friends and family as a status update on their timeline. You can even set up your Shopbox to continue to post for you automatically. It's that simple. The best part, your friends earn up to 50% cash back on qualifying purchases, and you earn 0.5% cash back on every purchase they make. Shop.com Shopbox is simple, secure, and makes it easier than ever to shop, save, and earn cash back for shopping online.